Hello and welcome in CAD in 360 tutorial video. Today in this video we are going to complete exercise number 30. Okay, so we are going to create this model. Okay, so let's start. First of all, we will create a 2D profile for this portion or this front view, which is in green color, and then we will extrude it up to a 20. Then we will create this box on this side. Then we will create this cylindrical portion. Then we will do mirror on opposite side. Then we will create this one. Then we will mirror this, and then we will, at last we will create this. Okay, so simply click on sketch. Next thing is we have to select this front view, and then we will draw this profile. Okay, so this bottom line is 70 in length, so 70. Okay, and make it at a center, so it will be 35. Next is a vertical dimension, and its dimension is 40, so 40. Okay, next it is 10. And this one is of 20, so 20. Next, from here to here the distance is 50, so 50. And again the vertical line of 20, and this one is of 10. Next, close this profile. Okay, so here we have our 2D profile. Okay, next thing is we will exit from sketch tool, and then we will extrude it and use direction, symmetric, and measurement both side whole length, and extrusion will be of 20. Okay, now we will create this box, these boxes. Okay, so this is 10 by 10, so select this plane and then draw 10 by 10 profile, and this is 10 from here. Okay, this edge, this one is 10, and from bottom it is at 5. Next, similarly, this is 10 from here, 10 by 10, and it is 10 from here, and 5 from bottom. Okay, next finish sketch, then extrude, select these closed profiles, and it is of 10 height. Okay, operation join. So here we have our these boxes, okay, which is 10 from these edges. So if we want to inspect, we will find that this is 10 from here. Next, we will create this cylindrical portion in between these boxes. So simply select sketch tool, then select this plane. Next, we will draw a circle on this surface, and its dia is 5. Okay, so this is 5 dia, and it is 5 from the edge, so 5. And vertical dimension, it is 10 from this one, so center, this one 10. Click on finish sketch, then extrude, then select the plane up to which you want to extrude it. Okay, so here we have our this profile. Next thing is select mirror tool, then select the features which you want to mirror, then plane. So we will select this plane and then click on OK. So you have your this mirror part on the other side. Okay, so that's why we used extrude and symmetric extrude, so that in future if we required to do mirror, so it will be easy for us to select the mid plane and then it will be extruded or mirrored against that plane. Okay, so now next thing is we will create this portion on this surface and then we will do mirror. Okay, select the sketch, select the surface, then create a, this is 10 by 10 box which is square, so 10 by 10, and it is 5 from bottom and 5 from right side. So select edges 5, next vertical dimension 5, click on finish sketch, home button, then select extrude and extrude up to 10. So we are looking in this front view the total length or extrusion, so it is 10, then click on the OK. Next thing is use mirror tool, then select profile, then select plane, so this is the plane. Okay, so mirror. Okay, now you can see how it is very simple. Okay, next thing is we have to create this cylindrical portion on this surface and then we will extrude it up to next surface. So draw a circle on this surface and this is of 10 dia, so value 10. Next it is 10 from this upper edge, so its positioning is 10 from upper edge and it is 10 from this edge. So finish sketch. Next thing is use extrude tool, this one, and then select the plane up to which you want to extrude it and click on this OK. So here we have our 3D model. Okay, so this way you can create a similar model in Fusion 360. Okay, that's all for this video. Thank you.
If you enjoyed this lesson and want to practice more Fusion 360 exercises, check out our Fusion 360 all-in-one workbook with 500 plus practice exercises. This is the Autodesk Fusion 360 all-in-one workbook, designed to help you master Fusion 360 through practice. Inside, you'll get 200 2D sketching exercises, 200 3D modeling exercises, and multi-part assembly projects to build real-world design skills. Plus, you'll also receive 200 native Fusion 360 3D exercises, .f3D files, and all assembly models in .stp format. To get your free sample PDF or purchase the complete Fusion 360 all-in-one workbook, check the link in the description below. You can buy it directly from Caden360.com website or on Amazon. Start practicing today and take your Fusion 360 skills to the next level.